midlife is such a beautiful time for women. It's an opportunity for them to really explore who they are and who they want to be, and really pull out things within them that have been there the whole time. You know, they really want to kind of raise their vibrations. I want them to be vibrant, intuitive, beautiful, and I want them to emerge into the woman that we all want to be. That's it. I want women to vibe. When I was in my 40s and 50s, I know I was feeling kind of stuck. It took me a while to get the courage to be able to break out to what it was I really wanted to do.
But what if you have the support and the kind of program to help you achieve those goals and to feel more well in your body and your spirit, and to really move forward in a way that you're loving midlife? Well, that's what the V.I.B.E series is all about. This is my V.I.B.E team of experts, Naomi Holbrook, who is the V.I.B.E emotions expert.
Helping women with all aspects of emotional and mental well-being, whether it comes from anxiety, depression that they've had in life, all those things that we just deal with on a day-to-day basis.
And Dr. Shelley, she's the expert for V.I.B.E living.
Experiencing who you are, learning the tools, the techniques that are necessary so that you can create a life that you truly love.
And Jessica, she is the expert for V.I.B.E moving.
It's about learning how to find those movements that we love, that we can easily do and integrate into our lives, you know, to just keep our energy going.
I have this vision when I first started this whole journey 12 years ago. And even though it's changed in terms of the colors and the logos and things like that, the messaging is still the same. And that is being well in our mind, body, and spirit, using holistic practices, fitness, nutrition, and spiritual renewal. I'm excited about all three programs. And there's nothing more exciting than working with women who are really committed to the idea of taking us to another level. Join us. Hey everybody, it's Lynnis. Every time I see that video, I get excited and re-inspired to keep doing what I'm doing. Welcome, welcome. Hello, Wellness Group, Wellness Women 40 Group. It's wonderful to be here. And hello, V.I.B.E Series Group. It's wonderful to be streaming live to you as well. I am so excited because on Monday at 10:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, the V.I.B.E Series starts streaming live in the V.I.B.E Series Group. So for those of you who haven't joined the V.I.B.E Series Group and you want to see what we're going to be doing live at 10:30 on Monday, join the V.I.B.E Series Group today. Just put in your search URL, V.I.B.E Series Group, and go ahead and join the group. It's going to be fantastic. We have so much planned in terms of what we're going to be talking about. And I wanted to share that with you so you would know what we're going to be doing. We're going to, first on Monday, we're going to be talking about slowing down to get more done. That's from the V.I.B.E Living program. And then we're going to talk about core strengthening and a Pilates workout, and that's from the V.I.B.E Moving program. And then for V.I.B.E Emotions, we're going to be talking about moving through the feelings of anxiety and that sense of overwhelm. The next day on Thursday, January 21st, we're going to be talking about low impact and effective cardio HIIT programs. I'm really excited about that. And on Friday, next Friday this time, we'll be talking about manifesting a life that you love from the V.I.B.E Living program. And then on Saturday, V.I.B.E Emotions, we're going to be talking about quieting that inner critic and healing that negative self-talk that we sometimes say to ourselves. And finally, on Sunday, the V.I.B.E series, we're going to have questions and answers for all of you. You can ask your questions to the V.I.B.E experts. We're going to kind of regroup and then also tell you where you can find out more information about how to V.I.B.E and to be a part of these fantastic programs. So I'm excited about it. And I have with me one of my partners in crimes. Hey, Dr. Shelley.
Hi, Lynnis.
It's so wonderful to have you. Yeah, isn't it exciting to see all of that?
Really exciting.
I mean, really, it really is exciting. Dr. Shelley is my friend, my sister, my collaborator. We started over a year ago trying to come up with something that we felt would speak in particular to women who want to emerge into, that's how we're talking about emerging into the total woman. women who wanted to really kind of take a holistic approach to life and to be well in their mind, body, and spirit. So here we are a year later with V.I.B.E Living. And Dr. Shelley is an energy healer and trainer, and she deals with all things around energy. And she has a beautiful philosophy about how energy and learning how to manage our energies can change our lives. And Dr. Shelley, what are you going to be talking about on Monday?
Well, we're going to be talking about what energy is, how it impacts our lives, how we can use it effectively to have the quality of life we all really are looking for, and to be in sync with ourselves physically, mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, the whole human being, all of our energy. So it's really exciting. It's really the source of living. And yet most of us don't have a connection with all of those pieces as one experience. And so I'll start to teach what that's all about, start to talk about what's possible for us as people.
And, to complement you and what you're talking about, I'm going to be talking about ways that we can get our minds more clear and more focused to be able to be more receptive to learning a new way of being. And so I'll be talking about essential oils and herbs that can help you with your mental clarity and focus. And I'm really excited about that because I've got some really neat recipes to share with you all that you can use to get more focused. Because one of the things that happens in midlife, or as we were talking about last night in my clubhouse room that I did last night, for seasoned women. I said, well, maybe I can't change my branding, but actually I think I'm more of a seasoned woman than I am a midlife woman because I'm 63. So I think I'm already past my midlife point. But anyway, for seasoned women, we sometimes deal with brain fog, mental clarity, maybe short-term memory issues. There are things that you can do from a aromatherapy perspective and from also the herbs and supplements perspective that you can do to help improve your focus, your clarity, your overall short-term and maybe even long-term memory. So we're going to talk about some of those things on Monday. So please join us Monday on January 18th at 10:30, and it's going to be from the 18th, the 19th, the 20th, the 21st, 22nd, 23rd, 24th, for a whole 7 days. We're going to be sharing with you some great information on how you can vibe. And that famous acronym for me is be vibrant, intuitive, beautiful, and emerged. How you can do that. And every day has a different focus, just like Dr. Shelley's focus. And Dr. Shelley, if you and I didn't tell you I was going to ask you this, but oh well. If you had your druthers, what would you say is probably the most important thing that you learned about being able to harness your energies and to be able to take a, an approach to life the way that you do when it comes to energy?
Wow, what I've learned, what a great question. What I've learned is that it's essential to be committed to your life. It's essential to choose. It's a choice to live your life as fully as possible because this is it. We have a life, no matter how we would believe about our afterlife. We have our lives now. And to be able to have the life as fully expressed as possible, that is really something very special. And each of us is so unique. So there is a commitment, there's a choice in the matter. And, no matter what the challenges have been over the years, because I've had many challenges in discovering who I am and, what I do to teach women today, I wouldn't change it for the world. And there is a quality of life that is always there, no matter what the physical circumstances might be. And the love, the expression of love fully, not holding yourself back, to me, what else is there? We can accumulate a lot of things and, we're all very good at doing that, especially in this country.
Mm-hmm.
But when it comes to the end of the day, who are we? What are our lives really about? And how are we going to impact the others around us that are
Mm-hmm.
so important to us personally?
And that's why I'm so excited about the Vibe series, because we really want to help women hone in on the possibilities. You don't have to suffer. You don't have to be depressed. You don't have to be anxious. You don't have to be, 10 pounds overweight. You don't have to be sedentary. You don't have to like start turning in and not reaching out. There are things that you can do, but sometimes you just need a little bit of support. You just need a little tweaking in your life. Oh, there's someone that said, great to see you, Lynnis and Shelley. Who is that? I don't know who it is, but thank you.
Thank
I'm so
you.
excited. Thank you. So excited for the Vibe series from Monday. Oh, thank you so much. We are glad to be here. I think these days, when you wake up in the morning, at least I do, the first thing I say is thank you, because so many people didn't get a chance to wake up this morning. So all the more reason to take all the time that we have and finding new ways to vibe, new ways to be vibrant, new ways to, improve our intuition, our clarity, and our focus, and new ways to really dig deep with that inner beauty that we know can radiate out. And, finding ways to take all of that information, all the things that we've learned, and to vibe in a way that really adds value to our life and to the lives of those we love. So thank you, Dr. Shelley, for adding value to my life. And I'm looking forward to the impact you're going to have on these ladies, because you're going to be blown away by the incremental change you'll see, and you're just going to want more. So thanks so much for joining us, Dr. Shelley. I appreciate it.
Thank you, Lena, so much. And thank you, everybody.
Thank you, everybody. And one more time, I wanted to show you again what we're going to be doing. This is the schedule, and you might want to jot it down. I think you really want to see if you can go to all of them, because it really does make a difference in terms of all the information kind of goes together. There's a free workbook that will be uploaded to the group. So you want to belong to the group so you can get the free workbook. And the free workbook, we use daily. Just download it or print it and just use daily. And in that workbook will be some of our talking points and some other information, as well as a space for you to dig deep and to think about some of the things that you want to change in your life. So we put a lot of work into this, and we're very excited for the end result. So thanks everybody for listening. Have a fantastic weekend. Oh, today is Fun and Fitness Friday, so I'm looking forward to all of your fitness tips in the Wellness Woman group and the Vibe Series group. I'm so glad that you're joining us, and can't wait to see all of you on Monday. Take care, everybody. Bye-bye.
Bye,
Once you've
everyone.
gotten to that point in your 40s and over 40s, you really begin to think, okay, I know there's more out there that I need to be doing, but where do I start? On January 18th, we're starting the Vibe series. We'll be coming on every day talking about some component of the Vibe series program. If you're ready to vibe, if you're ready to make some changes and need a little help, a little push, and extra information, inspiration, motivation to get you to where you want to be in 2021, just go to Facebook and type into the search bar Vibe Series Group and join us.